Hey, so if you're getting a prompt error in Leonardo AI, yeah, like your prompt won't submit, it shows an error, or generation just fails instantly, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, unstable connection can break prompt submission. Next, yeah, refresh the page and try again. I mean, temporary glitches can cause prompt errors. Now, if your prompt is too long or complex, it may fail. I mean, try a simple version first to test. Yeah, some words can trigger filters and block the prompt. I mean, remove anything sensitive or restricted. Now, make sure you've selected a valid model. I mean, missing or broken model settings can cause errors. Yeah, cached data can interfere with prompt submission. Clearing cache often fixes the issue. Now, extensions can block request scripts. Try disabling them temporarily. Yeah, session bugs can cause prompt errors. Logging out and back in refreshes everything. If nothing works, switch browsers or devices. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local. So yeah, that's how you fix prompt error problems in Leonardo AI. Most of the time it's cache issues, prompt structure, or browser conflicts. Try these steps and your prompts should work again. Thanks for watching.